How to change group chat profile picture on Instagram. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to change group chat profile picture on Instagram. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Instagram. Now here, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So next that we are going to do is to go back to home page and open your Instagram application. And basically it will lead you here to your home page where you could see the posts from your following. Now, the next thing you have to do is under the home page, on the upper right, you will see the messenger icon. You have to click on that. And then you have to create a group chat first. So to create that, on the upper right, you will see this icon, a plus sign icon. You will click on this and just add all the people you want to add in the group chat. Now, if you can't find them here, you can just simply search them up. But as you can, if you already have a group chat, all you have to do is to click on that group chat and then click see group members, and it will lead you here to the details, and then click on change group photo. Then you could take a photo or just choose from your library. Now let's say I want to use this as our group photo, then just save, and now it's already changed. So basically that is how you change your group photo profile picture on Instagram. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.